try out different food, I bet you know about tacos because this Mexican dish has been winning hearts of many Indians. Welcome to Taco Bell. Well, this American food chain this time has got its iconic gordita and I'm quite excited to try that. So can I have one paneer gordita, please?
This innovation introduces India with two new elements. One is the warm and fluffy gordita flatbread filled with vegetables, Mexican paneer or crispy chicken and iceberg lettuce. It is then topped with the second new element, the delicious Kickin sauce, giving the gordita its signature kick of flavors. The all-new Kickin Gordita is the new innovation which presents bigger and bolder flavors.
Well, this may be a Mexican dish, but the tacos served here come with the Taco Bell twist, especially gordita. Well, I now know why gordita has been on a global menu for so many years. Crispy chicken or paneer comes with fresh vegetables, cheese, and of course, the thing that works the best is the Kickin sauce. I can't get enough of this.
Gordita is available in both veg and non-veg variants. Vegetarians can dig into Mexican paneer, whereas non-vegetarians can relish the crispy chicken gordita.
Well, so what are you waiting for? Come try out the latest innovation in town, gordita, that's available at all stores across India for a very special launch price. Well, so if you love tacos and curly tails, remember to like, share and subscribe and also follow us. Until then, it's me, Kamya Jani, signing off.